If you're a law firm owner who knows your financials aren't quite right, maybe you're avoiding the books, maybe you're scared to look at your balance sheet, or maybe you know there's cleanup that keeps getting pushed to later, you're not alone and you're in the right place. I can tell you with absolute certainty, almost every law firm we work with comes to us with some level of backwork. And today, I want to talk about what backwork actually is, why it's so important, and how getting it done is often the single biggest relief point for law firm owners. By the end of this video, you'll understand what backwork really means, why you can't move forward without it, and what it unlocks for your firm once it's handled. I'm Chelsea, and for over a decade, I've been helping law firm owners clean up messy financials, untangle trust accounting issues, and finally get clarity around their numbers. At Core Solutions Group, we specialize in law firm accounting, bookkeeping, IOLTA reconciliation, and CFO-level financial strategy. Not taxes, but the clean, accurate financials your tax professional actually needs. And I'll tell you this honestly, backwork is one of the most misunderstood and most avoided parts of running a law firm. Let's start by reframing the word. Backwork is not failure. It is not a reflection of your intelligence or capability. Backwork simply means cleaning up what's already happened, so your numbers become trustworthy again. It usually exists because of things like you did your own bookkeeping early on, or you had a non-law firm bookkeeper that didn't understand things like trust accounting, or things just grew faster than your systems. Backwork is not about going backwards. Backwork is about finally being able to move forward. Here's where most firms go wrong. They try to plan, forecast, hire, or scale on top of inaccurate books. When backwork isn't done, your P&L lies, your balance sheet gets ignored, and cash flow feels unpredictable. Tax season becomes pure panic. So instead of making data-driven decisions, you're making emotional ones. You work harder, you stress more, and you still don't feel in control. Backwork isn't just financial, it's emotional. Backwork usually lives in three core areas. First, historical bookkeeping accuracy. That means transactions are coded correctly and income and expenses are in the right periods. Second, balance sheet integrity. Bank and credit card accounts reconciled, loans accurate, and owners' draws correct. And third, and this is critical for law firms, trust or IOLTA cleanup. That means proper three-way reconciliation, no more commingling, and accurate client balances. Here's the takeaway. If any one of these is off, your entire financial picture is distorted. Here's the part nobody talks about. Most law firm owners hear the word backwork and assume it means years. That's rarely true. Often, it's the last few months, or since your last clean reconciliation, or since a bookkeeper transition. And the goal is accuracy, not perfection. You don't need museum quality books. You need decision-ready books. Once backwork is complete, everything changes. You can trust your P&L, actually use your balance sheet, forecast cash flow, set real KPIs, and plan proactively instead of reactively. This is the foundation for growth, hiring, paying yourself consistently, and getting out of survival mode. In the next video, we're going to do a dive into part 2, your balance sheet, and what it should look like, why it matters, and how it impacts every decision you make. Make sure you watch that next because it builds directly on what we covered today. And if this helped bring clarity or relief to you, follow for more law firm finance guidance. You don't have to figure this out alone.